Yes, we are introducing you Chief Tolulase Oguntosin, who is the person who discovered the language that we will be talking about, the Aebajiogbe. For me, Aebajiogbe is a writing script, like a mode of writing, but we consider that it is a language. However, we move ahead for the interview, which is being conducted by Dr. Oyelude, that is myself, and so Sofia at the Oloye Oguntosin, Ekabo sí orí ètò. A máa sọ̀rọ̀ ní èdè Yorùbá àti èdè
Òyìnbó.
Our first question is, what is the origin of this Aebajiogbe language or writing script? This educator.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Tolulase Oguntosin Taye, the generation of this third Arena Kakanfo of Yoruba land, Oyabi, who is in Ajase-Ile, Porto-Novo here. The origin of Aebajiogbe, Oduduwa alphabet, the origin is from Oduduwa himself. Now, I discovered the alphabet in Ogbo-Alale, which is our shrine, where our forefathers ọ̀nṣẹ́jú ọkùnrin ọ̀wọ̀lẹ̀ nígbà tí ó tó àsìkò láti lọ, when he get to the stage that our father want to go, because he's a great warrior, he's somebody that not easily to die, but he finally went away by himself at Ogbo-Alale. So I discovered the Oduduwa alphabet at Ogbo-Alale. So we migrated from Osun State, ILESA, Oduagbede. We are the generation of Ogbonimo. So, and we are related to Owabokun. So one way or the other, we inherited the subject that made me discover the alphabet from Owabokun of Ijesha land. That is why in my the picture at the background, you see Owabokun, and this side you see Alajase the fifth, late Alajase the fifth by this side. So that is the genesis of the alphabet. The alphabet came out from the two kings. So I was in Ajase-Ile, Porto-Novo, one of the chiefs here, according to our forefathers' history. So why you are seeing the Alajase, the Owabokun. So Owabokun, which is one of the sons of Oduduwa. So the history is a long history. For us to inherit that from Owabokun at that time, so it's a very long history. But that is what I can easily tell you about the origin of the alphabet. So the alphabet came all the way from, they called the place Egypt. But in those days, it wasn't Egypt, but you know, they called the place Egypt, but not Egypt, where Oduduwa kingdom is over there, before he now came back home, one way or the other. Then that was just the history. It's a long story, but let's just cut it short, please.
Okay, can you talk a little bit about the alphabet?
Hello? I can't hear you well, please.
She said, what is the name of the place where that alphabet?
These days, they call the place Egypt. But the ancient name, I don't know, but we can call it Oduduwa word, Oduduwa, because I don't know, maybe somebody knows the name. I haven't made research of the name, the first name the place was called. You know, Ife have three names. The first Ife is Ife Odaye, the second Ife is Ife Oyelago, while the third Ife is Ile Ife. We know that because we are here, but maybe them over there will know the first name before they calling the place Egypt now. You know, it's Yoruba land. All those places are Yoruba land.
Thank you so much, sir. So can you tell us the characteristics of this Aebajiogbe, the Oduduwa alphabet?
The Oduduwa alphabet is 25. Aebajiogbe, the way ABD was, is 25. And it was the way we used the ABD the same way of our writing. The same way of our writing. But if you are writing like now, you are writing Abolade, you will spell A, B, Li, and A, and D, and E. That is the same way you spell Aebajiogbe as well, once you are spelling Abolade. But we write the Oduduwa alpha, ABD, the white man alphabet that they converted to our own alphabet as well, because that is not that is their alphabet, you know. It's from right. We write from left. We write from left, but Oduduwa alphabet is from right. Just the way Ifa, they type it from right to left. You know, some people usually say that Aebajiogbe is from right, like Arabic alphabet. No, Arabic alphabet they start from right because Ifa start from right. Not that the Aebajiogbe copy the system of the Arabic alphabet. It's the Arabic alphabet that copy Ifa writing. So the alphabet starts from right just because Ifa start from right, and the origin of the alphabet is right. So our alphabet Aebajiogbe starts from right. So if you are writing Abolade now, you write Abolade. But there's a way of writing the alphabet which is different from the ABD alphabet. There are some alphabet in the alphabet, we call it straight line alphabet. Like this now. This very one has straight line. Straight line. This one has straight line. This one doesn't have. This one has straight line. This doesn't have straight line. All here straight line, either from right or left. This one has straight line. So whenever the two straight lines are coming together, it becomes one. That's just the different thing from writing our Yoruba language. So we write the way we usually write, but from right and the straight line come one. Like now, okay, it wasn't here. Let's see. Let me show you something here. I don't know if you are seeing this. Are you seeing this?
Yes, we can see it.
Now you can see that we write something here. We write Oduduwa here. Then this is Oduduwa. You can see the blue line, the blue. We let them know that the two straight lines have joined together. That is it.
Okay.
Yes, it's so interesting, sir. You know, just now the Coco strike me. What is that thing? That means for the coming of Europeans.
Yes.
Return. That means it is the language that we were speaking in Yoruba land.
This alphabet, Oduduwa alphabet, you are seeing is the first alphabet on earth. The first alphabet on earth. The proof is that and the only talking alphabet on earth.
Actually, sir, that means the ABD is from the ABD is not the indigenous alphabet.
ABD is a borrowed alphabet. Many African countries borrowed the alphabet. It's not their own. In Benin Republic here, we borrowed it. The French people, we borrowed it. It's Roman alphabet. Both of us that are using that alphabet, we borrowed it from them. Each tribe, each powerful tribe, like Yoruba, we are very powerful. We have our alphabet right from day one. Before we have our alphabet, I'm sorry to say this, we have our alphabet before Adam. You can see that. That is very strange. Let's not go there because the history of the alphabet at okay, you know Idori Hill.
Yes.
At Ondo State. Are you aware of the unreadable letter at Ondo State? At the Idori Hill, unreadable letter. Do you know of that?
Please, can you tell us?
The unreadable letter at Idori Hill. Everybody knows it. It was unreadable letter from many years, but it's now readable. It was written by this with this alphabet. It was written with this alphabet. Last year was the day that I go there and I look at it, then say this is Aebajiogbe, and we make the proof. It's on our YouTube. When you Google your phone Oduduwa alphabet on YouTube, Oduduwa alphabet, you can see the meeting, how we discovered it, how we went there, how the archaeologists from Obafemi University, led by Professor Ogun. So you see all in our YouTube how we discovered it in our YouTube. But that alphabet was written, that unreadable letter was written with Aebajiogbe, and it communicates. And what it communicates is exactly what happened over there in those days. It communicates 2 words. So that means the alphabet, the time they check the age, the time it has been existing over there. I think it's about, they said it's about 10,000 years ago. So we know the life of the white men when they came to existence. Now you can see that the alphabet is older than them themselves. The alphabet is older than Adam. The alphabet is the first alphabet on earth. That is what I can say about the alphabet, and is our heritage, Yoruba heritage. So that is it.
Thank you so much. Oh, can I ask a second question?
Okay, go ahead, please.
What steps are you
Huh?
to give this Oduduwa
Please come again.
coverage and recognition? How do you make more people know about it?
Well, the alphabet, I was promoting the alphabet came back 2011, 2011, but I started promoting it 2016. I started promoting 2016, February 2016. So since then, I made a calendar of 2016 to promote it. Why I went to Benin for Abesan, then he was a governor of Osun State. He was the one who assisted to promote it, to start teaching people on OSBC television then. So I started teaching OSBC television. Then since then, after he left the government, then I started doing WhatsApp internet teaching. So that's why I spread the teaching. Now we have thousands of students now that can use the alphabet to write whatever they want. You can use it to write Yoruba language, any language you want to write, because we have 25 alphabets. But for those who are using the other alphabet, in some name you see Catherine, you see Quadri, and Catherine, Q, Quadri, and Victoria, we don't have V. So when we make the research, we now convert. You can see here C, Q, V, X, Z. So the way, the white man doesn't have B. They use 2 alphabet to create B for us. We now use two alphabet of our alphabet to create the remaining 5 alphabet that we miss in Aebajiogbe. Then you can use Aebajiogbe to write any language. So we have students for French language, English language, Igbo language. We have students for Igbo. We have students for Hausa language. We have students that can use the alphabet to write Hausa and Igbo and French, English. So we have students for 5 languages now. 5. But recently, some are using it to write Arabic. I don't support that, but that is it.
Why support?
It will look as if we are trying to change the whole alphabet in the world to one, because this is the most ancient alphabet. If everybody now discover that this is the most ancient alphabet, they would love to come and use it, and it's highly spiritual, and it's the only talking alphabet. When you are reading the alphabet, it communicates. The only talking alphabet on earth. So the alphabet is not just an alphabet. Let's just ask another question, please.
Final question.
Yeah.
What are you doing ensure
alphabet yìí sọ
that this
ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó
language
yà wá lẹ́nu pé fún ẹ̀ ló sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní pé
You know, we are trying to tell our government. One thing that is the problem I have is that the Nigeria government, I think there's a problem in Yoruba land, in Nigeria. It's only one person, which is Aebajiogbe. In the whole Yoruba land in Nigeria, only him understand and support the alphabet. Others, if others support as him, the alphabet will be an alphabet that we will be teaching in school, and it will be preserved forever. If we can see more of like him. But here in Benin Republic, the entire government in Benin Republic here embrace the alphabet. Even the president of the House of Assembly is our patron. The minister of culture also our patron. The mayor of Porto-Novo is so they love the alphabet. You can see in our former edition, which you did not attend to take your certificate, you will see that the mayor of Porto-Novo came all the way from Porto-Novo with his entourage, 20 entourage, to come and grace the day to give the student. That means God used him and others. But in Nigeria, even our kings, they are trying to reject the alphabet. I'm sorry, including our father at home. I don't want to mention. He knows about the alphabet, but he did not support the alphabet. Why the late Alafin support the alphabet fully? You know, so something is wrong at home. Something is definitely wrong at home. So maybe through the media, all Yoruba people in media promote the alphabet, spread it to the whole world. Maybe they can understand what we are talking. But this is our future. This is our future. Even the alphabet communicates the future to us. Communicates that this is our future. Do we have time to explain that? Can I do that now? Because the alphabet is a talking alphabet. Yeah. Now, you can see A, Ba, Ji, O, B. Now let me read all together. A, Ba, Ji, O, B, D, Fa, Ti, E, O, Lo, Di, Fa, Ti, E, O, Lo, Wu, U, Mi, Ni, I, Ku, Re, Si, She, Ki, Gi, Ye, Be. That is the alphabet. The alphabet communicates four sentences. The first one is Aebajiogbe. Aebajiogbe says, Aebajiogbe teach us that in Oduduwa, Ejiogbe is the head. No any Odu is higher than Ejiogbe, which is true. But the hidden meaning is that when we are using the alphabet is telling us that when we are using the alphabet, he will lift us, she will lift us above the other tribe on earth. So no one will meet us even in technology. In the future of our children with this alphabet, the white men, they will come and we will be on top. That is what the alphabet is communicating here. So the alphabet is telling us that he will lift us when we are using the alphabet. That is the meaning of Aebajiogbe. That is the spiritual meaning. Now it continues and said Di, Fa, Ti, E. Di, Fa, Ti, E is Ronu Jile nípa ohun tí o fẹ́ dà. Think about your future. Think deep about your future. Now, you know, when we are thinking about our future, we think above our capacity. When you wake up from thinking, you know, by thinking deep about what you're going to become, we go deep as if we are sleeping. When we wake up, oh, what am I thinking? I'm thinking something that is very, very wrong. The alphabet says don't do that. What you are thinking in different here about your future, the alphabet says that you are not the one to say yes to it. Just keep thinking. That is the continuation. He said, what you are thinking in different here, he said, O, Lo, Wu, U, Mi, Ni, I, Ku, Re, Si, She. He said, Ọlọ́run mi ló máa húre sí tó máa ṣẹ. What you are taking from different here, he said, Ọlọ́run mi ló máa húre sí tó máa ṣẹ. You can see what he's communicating. He says that is the Almighty God we are serving in all religion. The alphabet says that is the only God that can who they see in Toro Nundifatie that we share, that will come to pass. So it communicates that. Then the last one says ki gi ye pe. So ki gi ye pe means that ki awe da ki ape láyé. Gbogbo akola ma pe láyé, right? So this one is a prayer for those, God, when God wants to lift a nation, a tribe up, God will send someone the way God sent you and I. We send someone to come and he will prepare the mind of that person, the brain of that person to come and do this. The way he prepared my mind to do this. When they are coming in Yoruba land, most of the whole like China, America, wherever that they are doing things that we think they are different from us, that they are special more than us. They are not special. Just because those that are coming here, one way or the other, something used to happen, they used to go back. Some people here, people of the world, send them back. No, they now go to another tribe. So with this prayer, they will never go back. They will survive and do whatever God sent them to come and do in Yoruba land. That is why in future, Yoruba will be on top with this alphabet. But this prayer will definitely work for them. So whenever our children are trying to read the alphabet, they have been praying already. So praying for who? Those that are coming. That is why we have to embrace the alphabet and be using it. We allow our children to use it so that whenever the people, the children that are coming, whenever in the research is that whenever where they are hearing the sound of this alphabet, reading the alphabet, that is where they know that this is our destination. They will go there direct. Then we will now, women, we now consume them. Then they come to life and then they start doing what God sent them to do. So that is the meaning of Kigi Yepe. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn wọ́n máa yè. Just like my own history is a kind of history that I'm not supposed to be alive. I myself, I use my own history for example for others that I'm not supposed to be alive. From whom I came out dead. One way or the other, I woke up again. And when I was 11 years, I died again. Something made me die. Accident, serious accident. So when I was 11 years. Then 2013, I was shot in the head 3 times. I did not die. That means God preserved me by himself. But those that are coming, this prayer, this alphabet, by reading it, we be, understand me? So that's the meaning of this Kigi Yepe, that we should live long. So it's a prayer. So that is the meaning of the alphabet. What the alphabet is saying. So the alphabet is a talking alphabet. A talking alphabet. So.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Do you have any question for me?
Huh?
Dr. Adeyeye. Dr. Adeyeye, do you have any question?
So the question, I still think we should be looking at other ways of making sure the language will not go into extension.
Should not go to extension.
By making sure, because extension,
okay. Ẹ máa sọ Yorùbá díẹ̀ o, tí òyìnbó bá yé mi. Ṣé mo try fún òyìnbó díẹ̀ tí mo sọ? Yeah.
For the first time, I started the project. And she just said, so I went online to YouTube and I saw some videos in the movie your country, typical country work class.
Èmi náà ni mo wọ class.
Okay. But ìlà ìbẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mú ẹgbàá dání.
Ẹgbàá àbí? àwọn ọmọ kéèké yẹn ń gbọ́ràn ni la máa mẹ́gbẹ́ dání tó bá ti rí ẹgbà wọ́n máa sit right. No, àwọn kí n nọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o kí n nọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ akọ̀ máa mú dání kẹ́rù máa bà wọ́n ni.
Nítorí pé àwọn tó máa wò yìí kì í ṣe ara àgbẹ̀ nìkan ló máa wò ṣe pé fídíò àgbáyé ni.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Àgbáyé ni. So wọ́n máa pẹ́ kí irú nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe ìgbà bí ìjọba yẹn fẹ́ yọ ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ìlú fídíò yẹn torí a máa lo bẹ̀yẹ. Àtàkàbà wo máa yọ máa ṣe.
Ọlọ́run á fún wa ṣe.
Àwọn kò pé kí ó má bàa ti parun a ní láti ṣe iṣẹ́ kan bóyá ó máa wà lóòwe pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìtọ́fẹ́ iṣẹ́ ọkọ̀ fídíò nìkan fídíò bá lọ YouTube bẹ́ẹ̀ kò ní mọ nípa àwọn pọ̀ ni wọ́n sọ fún mi pé kí n lọ wò ọ̀gbọ́n tẹ̀ jẹ́ àwọn pamphlet kéékèèké ẹ bá àwọn pamphlet kó
à ń ṣèwé for example sí mo ṣe eléyìí sí a máa ń kọ́ àwọn èèyàn a ṣe ní as a working book mo ṣe léyìí mi ò kí ń ta mo máa ń fún èèyàn ni àwọn èèyàn máa ń ṣe fún mi ni àwọn èèyàn máa ń ṣe fún mi then mo dẹ̀ ti ń plan fún textbook náà. Yes. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Àmì àṣẹ o. Ọlọ́run nìkan kọ́ o, ẹ má yẹ ká máa gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ sọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí n correct yín fún bẹ̀yẹn. Ẹ má yẹ ká gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ sọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ẹ yẹ káwọn èèyàn náà ká ranra wa lọ́wọ́. Àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wa tó wà nílé, ẹ bá wa bẹ̀ wọ́n. Okay. Okay. Ọlọ́run á fún yín ṣe o.
International Federation of Library Associations and Institutions.
Okay.
Ní
August, okay.
So, ìṣẹ́jú méjì la fi máa ṣe fídíò.
Okay.
Wọ́n á fún wa ní àǹfààní láti lórí fún bí ìṣẹ́jú bíi 5.
Okay.
Wọ́n máa wá gbé kalẹ̀ àti ìrànlọ́wọ́ láti lè jẹ́ kí alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì heritage àṣà adúgbò lọ́wọ́ ní àwòrán irú àwòrán report bí ẹ̀rọ tó wù ní ara fóònù yìí kàn ní bóyá ẹ̀ bá wa ránṣẹ́.
Àwọn fídíò ta lè lò ẹ fi ránṣẹ́ sórí
àwọn fídíò a ṣe àwọn fídíò kan fún àwọn èèyàn láti fi mọ̀ ọ́n lò. So tẹ́ bá lọ sínú YouTube wa ẹ máa rí àwọn fídíò, ẹ máa rí fídíò class 1, ẹ máa rí fídíò class 2, ẹ máa rí fídíò class 3, class 4, class 5. Àwọn èèyàn míì learn through àwọn fídíò yẹn tó yẹ pé wọ́n wá sínú class wa, wọ́n learn it through YouTube. So a ti ṣe yẹn already. So irú àwọn fídíò yẹn ẹ máa lọ rí ẹ lọ download ẹ̀ nínú YouTube yẹn. Tẹ́ bá ti wọ́n ní YouTube wa, ibi tẹ́ ti rí fídíò tí a fi ṣe teacher, ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́ máa ti rí àwọn fídíò class yẹn. So tẹ́ bá ti rí àwọn fídíò class yẹn, ẹ wò wọ́n dáadáa, èyí tẹ́ bá like ń bẹ̀, ẹ download ẹ̀, á wúlò fún yín. Ṣé ti gẹ́tẹ̀ bẹ́yẹn? Okay. It's okay. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run o. Ẹgbẹ́ láti wá gba o Republic of Benin láti fẹ́ gba lọ́dún yìí ṣe mọ̀. Republic of Benin láti fẹ́ gba lọ́dún yìí nígbà àgbà ní OAU mọ́. So even gan ó yẹ kẹ́ wà nínú media group Aebajiogbe.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, pé mò ń ṣe àwọn aṣẹ́ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ṣe mọ̀ pé ẹni pé mo yọra mi kúrò ní gúrùpù
Yes.
nígbà tí mo rí
Ó tọ́ ni.
mo ní ìdíyà. A máa tún padà.
Okay.
A máa mú Dr. Adeyeye náà kí wọ́n wọ class náà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o. Okay. And tẹ́ bá wọnú class wa under 1 week ni o, ẹ ṣáà mọ̀ pé under 1 week lẹ fi learn ẹ̀. Lẹ fi mọ̀ọ́kà under 1 week. So abẹ́ under 1 week lẹ máa fi mọ̀ọ́kà. So bóyá jẹ́ ni. Okay. Yeah. Ó dàbọ̀ o. Ẹ ṣé o. Okay. But video yìí ó máa tó ọ̀la o because ó máa heavy. Mo dẹ̀ máa ní láti edit eléyìí mọ́lẹ̀ yìí. Okay. Then a máa sọ̀rọ̀ ṣáá yẹ kí ẹ cut call eléyìí náà. Okay.